Hello all, welcome to our channel. Today we're delving into a controversial topic, trophy hunting in Botswana and its necessity. Let's dive right in. Trophy hunting can be a controversial issue, but it plays a significant role in conservation efforts and the economy of countries like Botswana. In Botswana, a country with over 38% of its land dedicated to wildlife reserves, trophy hunting is considered an important tool to manage wildlife populations. The income generated from trophy hunting is used to support conservation projects, anti-poaching efforts, local communities' livelihoods, and even fund education programs. It's not just about the thrill of the hunt, it's about ensuring that wildlife populations thrive and are protected for future generations. This approach has been successful in Botswana as it has one of the world's highest concentrations of large mammals per square meter. However, it's crucial to regulate this industry and ensure that high ethical standards are adhered to. This includes using sustainable methods that ensure the long-term survival of wildlife populations. So there you have it. Trophy hunting in Botswana is a complex topic with both pros and cons. It plays a role in conservation efforts and the economy, but must be regulated to ensure sustainability for future generations. Thanks for tuning in today. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful discussions on current issues around the world. Until next time.